Hi, Amy.
Daddy, but I see a fish in there.
You all done? Are you chilling?
Daddy, but I see a fish in there.
Brett, what are you eating for
Daddy.
lunch?
But I see a fish in there, Daddy.
Okay, cool. What are you eating, Brett?
Hot dog.
Yeah?
Right next to her.
What are you eating, Jay?
I'm eating popcorn chicken, and that's it. Bye-bye.
Where are we?
We're at the zoo. And there's lemur weasels.
The what?
And probably lemurous weasels.
Oh, lemurs looks like weasels?
And there's otters.
Hey, Brett, come finish your hot dog.
A black bear.
I know.
Mommy, a black bear.
I see it.
And a giraffe.
And a giraffe. That is awesome. It's a wolf.
Brett, you can go over there and look at him.
Well, I wanted to finish.
Well, finish your hot dog and then you can go over there and see the wolf, okay?